Hello, this video is being made for TDT1 Task 3. This video is going to explain how to use the RACE acronym in order to answer constructed response questions at the middle school level. Alright, so here is the beginning page. It says, I just read a passage about what makes the sky blue. How do I answer the constructed response question? You're going to use the RACE format to answer in a constructed response, right? RACE stands for restate, answer, cite, and explain. Just so you see down here, the R, restate the question, A, answer the question, C, cite the evidence from the text, and E, explain how the evidence supports your answer. Okay, here is a song that would help you kind of remember if you would like to go over that song that I put in this video for you. Okay, so if you click on this hyperlink, it will take you to a song that helps you remember the RACE acronym and what it stands for and what each of them means. The R, when writing your response, okay, R stands for reword or restate the question and make it into a statement as part of the answer you provide. Simple example, SCR, what color is the sky? So this whole entire RACE response is going to be over about this question, what color is the sky? You're going to restate the question in your answer starting with the color of the sky is. That is restating the question in your answer. So what color is the sky? The color of the sky is. That's how you would restate it. The A stands for just answering the question using evidence from the text you just read. Usually R and A in the RACE format are written within the same sentence. Okay, so it could just be combined, the R and the A, restate and answering the question. So example, using the same one, what color is the sky? You're going to reword, this color of the sky is, okay, and then you are going to answer, which is the A part. Usually blue because of how we see light waves and the weather conditions. The C in the RACE acronym is cite evidence and examples. Use words, facts, or examples from the text to support the R and the A in the RACE. At least three evidence or examples. You do not always need three. For this particular example, I'm offering three, but oftentimes you can just use one or two. So my example, after the restating and the answering, it will say, the sky is usually blue because of how we see light waves and the weather conditions. According to scientists, humans see blue sky based on what kinds of light waves are visualized in the eye, how sunny the day is, and how the direction of the sunlight. Okay, so there's you'll see them underlined. Here's my first evidence or example. Here's my second, and here's my third underlined. Okay, that's my evidence supporting my answer that I had above that. Okay, and last but not least is the E, when you're going to explain the answer. Explain how the first three letters of the acronym part of your response correctly answers the question being asked. E can be based on the prior knowledge of the topic or more evidence from the text. Okay, so my final answer and example will be, the sky is usually blue because of how we see light waves and the weather conditions. According to scientists, humans see blue based on what kinds of light waves are visualized in the eye, how sunny the day is, and the direction of the sunlight. On a clear sunny day, the sun is directly shining on us. Because the molecules in the air reflect the scattered blue light waves more than red or orange when it bounces off the direct sunlight, we see blue. As the sun sets, the direction of the light goes away from us. So the molecules reflect the red or orange waves of light that we see at sunset. Okay, that part down here is explaining all of the evidence I have gained. All the evidence gained is directed toward restating the question and answering it from the beginning. Alright, so that is the RACE format. I hope this video helped you, and we'll see you next time.